you to the kids news. Here are today's headlines. Total number of COVID-19 cases in India stands at 6,48,000 as per the report of 4 July 2020. Total death due COVID-19 is 19,034. Total recoveries are 3,94,000. In recent news, helicopters will be made for both civil and military purposes by TASL and BEL. Floods are taking its toll on major cities like Mumbai. Many people are protesting against violence toward people of color around the world. Racism in any manner should be not tolerated. Modi ji in his Mann Ki Baat program told children to take interviews of their grandparents about life in lockdown. We are very happy to present an interview conducted by a special reporter, Ms. Kritika Bhattacharjee, with her grandfather.
Namaskar. Today I am going to have a conversation with my grandfather, Mr. Ketaki Ranjan Bhattacharjee, inspired from PM Narendra Modi ji's Mann Ki Baat. Dadu Bhai, I want to know your childhood, schooling and education, also your hobby.
My childhood days and schooling days up to class 6 were very pleasant till after we shifted to India from the then East Pakistan in district of Sylhet in 1950. I got my admission in class 7 in BC High School, Nilambadar in the district of Karimganj. 6 kilometers away from my home, and with great difficulty I had to go to school and complete my educational course and passed my matriculation exam in 1955 from Guwahati University. My school was very good for education with qualified, sincere, kind-hearted, father-like teachers. I still salute my teachers. I learned English, which from assistant master Sarada Charan De, and his teaching gave me much benefit in future life. Among my friends, Manoranjan De of Shivbari was my best school friend. As regards hobby and games, I say singing and playing on mridanga were the best hobbies. I participated in various games such as football, volleyball, kabaddi, high jump, long jump, badminton, etc. Indoor games I liked ludo, carom, chess, etc.
How you got your job after education? Was your job necessary for your job family at that time? And at the same time, how you composed your songs and poems?
Actually, our financial hardship was due to shifting from our ancestral place from Sylhet to India, and we had no source of income, etc. Myself and my brother used to do earn money, engaging ourselves as daily wage basis labor. Even then, I started my studies and passed my matriculation, and though I got chance for my college education,
Okay.
my mother's tears could not be tolerated by me because of our poverty. So I had to give up my college education and join government service in Assam Rifles as a civilian clerk and retired as a junior accounts officer.
Okay.
During my service life, I passed central accounts training conducted by the Accountant General Shillong as a special qualification. During my service life, of course with great difficulties, I completed my graduation also through Night College from Shillong and Imphal. But I could not complete my MA due to sudden transfer to Arunachal Pradesh. During my stay at Imphal,
Okay.
I started writing of bhajan, kirtan, poems, etc. And gradually I composed hundreds of poems and songs in Bengali, Hindi and English by the grace of Lord Sri Krishna Sihori or and my Guru Sadguru Sisi Moni Baba.
Have you written autobiography on your life?
Yes, writing of my autobiography is nearing completion in Bengali and English. Anyway, I bless you and wish you a prosperous life. Keep it up.
Okay, thank you very much for giving me the valuable time. Namaskar.
Thank you, Kritika. Among the more unusual news stories, a popular YouTube video game player in Japan is also a 90-year-old grandmother. And a shoemaker in Romania creates social distancing shoes. In the brighter side, scientists have been surprised and impressed with the long distance of two birds recently, a common cuckoo who flew from southern Africa to Mongolia and eastern curlew who flew from Australia to China. A man in Pune shells out ₹3 lakhs to make a mask of gold. It definitely shows lockdown luxury, isn't it? A treasure hunt for a chest hidden in the Rocky Mountains has come to an end. The man who hid the chest says that the treasure, which is believed to be worth up to $2 million, has been found. Master Saket Chittaluri of Class 9 has received Guinness World Record for achieving the most full contact knee strikes in 1 hour in Taekwondo. Guinness World Record. Muhammad Muqbil from Yemen mastered the art of balancing and is known on social media as the king of balancing. We have a recitation by a cute little girl, Sanaya Mishra.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Daily life, no, Papa. Opayava, ha, ha, ha.
Thank you, Sanaya. In today's weather report, Guwahati, the minimum temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 31 degrees Celsius. In Silchar, the minimum temperature is 24 degrees Celsius and maximum is 30 degrees Celsius. Heavy rain and thunder showers are likely to happen all over Northeast India. Thank you for watching the Kids News. We shall be back next week with more exciting and fun-filled news for you. Stay tuned. Bye.